Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can take burst photo using Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our camera on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you how we can take burst photo using this camera. If you want to take burst photo, you just need to tap and hold on this button, and then you have to swipe down like this. I'm going to practice it. Tap on this button and swipe down, and you can choose how many burst photos you want to take with your camera, and the maximum photos is 30. And then now it's done guys, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. So this is the photo. This is the first photo I have just taken with my Samsung Galaxy phone's camera, and in 3 seconds we'll be able to take 30 photos. I'm going to check it, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can take burst photo using Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.